Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, I hope you are all fine. So in this video you will get very latest and very stylish wedding stage decoration ideas. This is very beautiful and very latest Mayo function and Mahandi function, Pakistani and Indian style stage decoration ideas for wedding. Viewers, I hope you will like this video. Very latest and very stylish decoration ideas for party wear, for Mahandi function and for all kind of functions are given in this video. So I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon, because if you will not press on the bell icon you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. So very latest and very stylish, very beautiful decoration ideas for Mahandi ceremony, for Mayo functions, and loads of function stages are given in this video. Very beautiful and very stylish handmade decoration ideas for wedding are given in this video. So if you are my new subscriber, if you are new in my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please keep enjoying this video, keep sharing this video with your friends. So very latest and very stylish Pakistani Indian style decoration ideas for stitches are given in this video. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying this video. Very latest and very stylish decoration ideas for wedding ceremony are given in this video. This video is all for ideas, so like this video and share this video with your friends. If you have any question, if you want to ask something about this video, so you can leave your comments below this video. And for more latest content you can subscribe to my channel, because from my channel you will get everything related to fashion and style. So if you really like this video, please give your thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give your thumbs up. And for any kind of info, please don't forget to leave your comments under the comment section. Viewers, thanks for watching this video. Thank you for giving us your time. Always take care of yourself and keep remember us in your special prayers. Thank you for sharing my videos with your friends. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube family. See you in the next video. Always take care of yourself.